President, every Georgian should be free to worship and exercise their faith without unfair federal, state, and local government intrusion. Senate Bill 36, the Religious Freedom Restoration Act, protects ordinary people from unfair state and local government intrusion by exactly mirroring the bipartisan federal law in a way that protects people from unfair federal government intrusion in their basic right to practice their faith. Georgians do not have full religious protections, allowing state and local governments to infringe upon people's faith for any rational basis. That's the lowest level of legal protection that exists under law. RFRA puts their First Amendment right of free exercise on the same level of protection as the First Amendment rights of speech, assembly, and press by simply creating a judicial balancing test to weigh out the facts and cases to make sure that a person's right to practice their faith versus government powers is matched and balanced and brought together in the fairest way possible. Under RFRA, before a government can force a person to violate their faith, it must show it has a compelling government interest. And in doing so, and accomplish its government purposes, it'll do it in the least restrictive means possible.
Nothing prevents any Georgian from worshiping any religion. The only thing this bill does is allows people to use their religion as a free pass to discriminate. Under this bill, someone could deny me, my husband, my son, and my beautiful daughter service at a business and use their religion as a reason to do that. So this isn't about politics for me. It's about the ability for my family to live freely in this state. Outside the chamber today are hundreds of people just like me who are here today to tell their stories of overcoming prejudice to just be themselves. We heard talk of balance. It's easy to talk of balance when you have privilege. So many of you can sit here with the privilege of finding a job because opportunities are there for you. You don't have to give any concern to celebrating the beauty of marriage, the birth of a child, renting a cabin to get away for the weekend, celebrating the graduation of another child, or even, when that sad day comes, the death of a spouse. With this bill, you lay the burden on families like mine to have that concern. Just because you decided you don't agree with who we are, cloaked in religion, Georgians can deny thousands of people the ability to live out the American dream.